Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an acrylic pour on glass, and this is a little sneak peek of how it turned out. I'm going to be using Primal Flow paint, and this is just an 11 by 14 piece of glass that I got from a picture frame. So if you want to see how I did this, keep watching. And Primal Flow is ready to pour paint. It's pre-mixed and ready to go, so it's really awesome if you're in a hurry like I am during nap time. I'll link them in the description below. Okay, so I decided to go with a little bit of the shimmer black and gold, golden copper, and seafoam turquoise. So I think what I'm going to do is just like a flip cup. So I'm going to go in with my white. When I do flip cups, I like to put my paint in the cups from lightest to darkest. And that kind of tells you to, different densities of the paint. The lighter the paint, usually the more dense it is. So I get pretty cool cells and lacing and stuff like that when I layer my paint in my cup from lightest to darkest. So now I'm going to go in with the gold. Whoops, I dropped a little, that's fine. Then I'm going to do red. And just do a little bit more gold. And then do more blue. And then I'll do a little bit of black. And I think I'll use these paints to just kind of smear a little bit on the glass, so these flip cups can move a little bit more easier on top of that glass. So I'm just doing a tiny bit of black, not too much, because black will take over. I taped the back side of this glass just so I didn't get my fingerprints all over it when I'm tilting this around. There, now it's like a little bit of an ombre. Cup right here. I'll let that sit for a minute. Got some of that there, and then let's do a line going down here. This is going to be gold on gold, but the black's in there. See the black coming through? Look at the cup. Okay, so I'm just going to give this one a little tap. So I'm going to kind of pull up and drag it at the same time. That made a straight up line, like a stripe. Wow, you guys, look at that cup. Oh my. Geez, that's a work of art in itself. My hands are kind of gross. I'm going to wipe them off on a towel real quick. I guess it doesn't matter because I taped the back, so forget it. Uh-oh, I'm starting to chatting too much. I'm starting to lose my paint. I don't want the black to take over on this. And I didn't even use that much black. I'm going to pour some of that black off. There we go. Now let's come back this way. You don't want to pour, when you're doing glass like this, you don't want to do too much paint because it'll dry textured and funky. I'm just going to try to help this corner a little bit. Just wasn't wanting to stick right there. Okay, I'm going to go back this way. There was a straight up air bubble and it like wouldn't pop. It's really sparkly and shimmery. I know it's kind of hard to see it on camera. So what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to tilt some of these lines back this way, but I poured up quite a bit of paint off of this just because, like I said, I don't want it too thick. Otherwise it's going to dry not good. It's going to get textured and lumpy and all that stuff. But I do see some air bubbles in here, so I might have to hit this with my torch. Is that gonna fit? Yeah, it'll be fine right there. Okay, I'm gonna grab my torch. I'll be right back. I just wanted to pop those bubbles because I could see them when I was tilting the glass. So yeah, they say it's supposed to flow left to right, top to bottom. So maybe we should turn her this way. That looks better, huh? This is the glass. It's drying really nice. It's not textured or bumpy or anything at all, so the amount of paint I put in there was good. And it's got some really nice sparkle. This is about 16 hours after I poured. I love this little section right here, this like funky lines, and then how it goes into the teal. I kind of like this one. I didn't think I liked it, but it's growing on me. So I'll show you guys how I finish it when it's all dry. Just wanted to show you guys, this is the spray that I used to seal and protect my acrylic pour. So this is what it looks like about 4 days later, and I sprayed it with 2 coats of the 2x clear spray that I showed you guys. Didn't this turn out pretty? It's so shimmery. I love that gold. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. Please subscribe if you're not already. I'm going to be coming out with more videos soon. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.